Hi there and welcome to Your Mindful Moment. My name is Tové Kane. A lot of the time, the pain that we suffer in relation to choices, decisions, etc. comes in that moment, that long patch where we're tortured with the decision. Should I do this? Should I do that? About a relationship, should I stay? Should I go? Is it worthwhile? Is it going to be all right? I don't know. And in that turmoil, in the place where the indecision lies, that's where the pain is. Here's the thing. If you make a decision to go one way and you were actually supposed to go the other way, then you have clarity. Then you unequivocally know, I was meant to go the other way. And that at least allows you to have started action, been in the process. It takes away all of the noise of the suffering. And it allows you to know by means of the contrast exactly what you were meant to do. The pain lies in the indecision. The universe applauds action, not thought. So, by all means, weigh the pros and cons up and decide which of the two choices is your preference. But if you're undecided, take action anyway. And if it doesn't feel right, then you know it's the other way. Here's another tip that I learned from Marie Forleo, and I love it so much. She asks her body for advice, and I share this tip with you. And this is the idea. If you're undecided about something, ask your body, do I feel closed in when I make this choice, or do I feel expansive? Isn't that interesting? Your body will tell you. You're thinking about something. Think about something, you have a choice now. Have you got it in your mind? Brilliant. Now ask your body, do I feel contracted about this choice? Do I feel expansive? It's a wonderful technique. And of course, taking action from that expanded point of view, well, it'll be fantastic. If you thought it was expanded, but actually you could be even more expanded in the other direction, well, you'll know how to do that because now you're in the habit of taking action. I applaud it. All the best. Be kind to yourself and those around you.